Alright, here.
Sorry for the rude interruption.
That's
So one of the things I hope that you learn from this is that if you actually take something
Where did that other video got
so you want to work again, you might like write things down. Like, hey, I got these out of here. I put them over here.
You might try and not break your ring too, right?
Yeah. But it's in 4 pieces now.
Note for the future.
Get a ring
Compressor. Why do you need a ring decompressor?
Yeah, I'll bet I can
Hello, ear.
page on that little.
Hello, mouth or nose or something? It was like in between. In between. Hello, upper lip. Hello, upper lip.
Are you having fun over there?
Nope,
With whatever you're doing?
not at all.
The chip wants to be part of the engine factory.
Will that function in there? Give it some extra carbon.
Wants a chip.
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
No!
No one wants you, little chip.
Where's that screw?
He'd rather hold metal.
Where's that screwdriver?
How do you like use this thing? It's like right up against the wall.
Okay, I have an AP slip back on.
You have AP slipping on. Maybe you can get his AP put on correctly.
It's probably ground right there.
Did we know this was running before we started working on it?
It was not. We tried it.
And are we expecting it to run?
He said it had good, was it compression?
Yeah, it had compression. It may not have compression now, I don't know.
That is questionable.
What is that smell?
It's your upper lip.
I'm debating that.
He's like... Tell me your finger anyway.
So, are we ever cut something down?
Oh, it's magnetic. That's what that is. That's kind of cool.
Okay, there's 3 of these, 4 of those.
3 cosas. 4 cosas.
How are you in? 1834?
Sí.
4 of those.
Thanks.
Screws? Oh. You gotta start figuring out. You can play a nice little guessing game with where you go. There's only 2 of them, and your part only has 2 screw holes.
There's a good chance that those go into those holes.
Yeah.
But it's not absolutely required.
What do you do in AP Spanish?
We speak Spanish. You Spanish.
Do you still have like new vocabulary?
Is there like a Spanish 5?
Like English, pretty much like critique poems and stuff.
Anybody? Screwdriver?
I don't know.
Too late. What was he asking for? Screwdriver. Oh, we're going for it. So now for the real question, what did you name your engine? Name it?
Bessie.
Why Betsy? What about Gertrude? What about Little Faithful? Little Faithful? Like, you gotta have some faith. Is that a little engine that could?
Yeah.
And it couldn't.
Or couldn't. We can call it failure. That's so mean.
How do we get out of here?
hope you're having fun.
Someone's gonna throw up.
Does it really look bad?
Yeah. It didn't look bad on you, but like on the camera. You're a terrible cameraman.
Flex for the camera, Nathan.
Wasn't there supposed to be something that went there? Yeah, I'm pretty sure something goes there.
No.
One of these middle pieces.
No.
No, I don't think
What's the
so.
point of it?
How I took off the cylinder.
Yeah, that one thing.
Yeah, remember that one thing?
What's that? The heat sink.
Cylinder.
Well, it doesn't have a heat
Are you
sink.
supposed to leave it a
It has-
little loose?
Like
It's
a
air
heat sink
cooled.
looking thing.
It is air cooled.
Are you supposed to leave it a little loose? Right.
No. Actually, the tighter would be the better.
He likes
I know, but I mean, you're supposed to leave it a little loose.
You may like it loose. He likes it tight.
With a torque wrench, if I had a torque wrench, I would do that.
No, I mean, like, tighten it, like, a little bit. No, go back after they're all in there.
Turn it backwards. You have to retighten them.
The thing is, you like it loose. Safety is boring.
But you know, you're using this as a video, and you said all of it. It's a school video.